Today we are doing a day in the life with your girl, okay? After taking my daughter to school, I like to come home or go to a coffee shop and jump straight into my clients' work. So like running other people's social media pages it could be fun, but it just depends on the client and the work, like it just depends on what it is. So I like to get clients that is like fun, creative, don't take social media so serious. Take it serious, but where they overthink it. It's like have fun with it. Look at this as a portfolio, a clean portfolio of what you do. So that's how I kind of take on my clients. So today we are going to edit a few of her videos, and then I like to plug it into a calendar, and we'll get into that, okay? So what I like to do, we need the help with the engagement on this page. So I'm just gonna go start liking people comments that left some comments, and then we are going to respond. Maybe it's just a simple thank you. So I'll just do a simple like thank you girl, thank you girl, or thank you babes, just keeping it very cutesy. Another one, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so I'm gonna go and post this onto my Instagram because this is a video that I've done and I want it uploaded by 12 o'clock. So I'm going to export it, save to my device, and then we're gonna pop it into Instagram. So we're doing a little bit of Christmas content right now, and I'm just trying to get this edit perfect. I really want to get that perfect. It's not super clean how I want it to be. So I'm going to be editing that. Maybe I should make that go a little bit fast when it goes right here. Let me see. Come on. Oh, this thing got so much fingerprints. Okay, we need to clean this, but I'm going to post this now on her Instagram. My one thing that I hate is finding a sound. So boom, once I write the captions, I'll go here, I add the topics, I choose what's relevant to the video. So while I clean up, we gonna watch some reality.
To make it to Seattle, so I'm meeting up with my sister in Malaysia over dinner and just kind of hear about how it was. Actually, I gotta leave early because I gotta go.
One thing about me, I'm gonna watch some old Basketball Wives, but when I think about it, I'm just like, what are we talking about? Y'all don't even know why we arguing, why we making each other lives more miserable. But somehow I find myself turning this repeat on.
That's what put on hold. I know that
girl, what?
I was discussing to her last year.
These girls, This is the most drama I have in my life. So while the news.
Mm-hmm.
This empanada I just made. Oh my god, it tastes so good.
Yeah, you tearing it up too.
I couldn't find my Stanley, so I'm using my daughter cup. These is my empanadas. Oh my god, it looked like I took a bite, but I didn't. But these is my empanadas. This is how they came out. Mm. Mm. What happened?
Nothing.
Oh. Why you look like that? Just say hey.
Hey. Yes.
Don't play with me. Negative.
Really?
Give me a kiss. That's not a kiss. You just putting your lip on my face. Thank you. When we get in the house, I got you some. I made some empanadas. You have on that seatbelt?
I will.
So how was school?
I got a green. I made the best artwork.
Where is it?
My photo.
Where's your book bag? I mean your jacket. Let me see your artwork.
Oh no.
What?
Oh no.
Did you leave your jacket?
Yes.
You looked in your bag?
My silver.
So while she go inside to get her jacket, look at her beautiful painting. I mean drawing. Because she always got paint. Today, she actually drew. Aww. Come on.